Alright, I showed you guys in another video. People have problems putting Volkswagen wheels on, or BMW or Mercedes or Porsche, or I think Audi is the same way. They don't have studs, and people find it hard to put the wheel onto the hub. Show you a good way. First of all, get your socket and the lug nut ready. Just put it down somewhere. Now, take your wheel, pick it up, and sit it on the center of that hub. It'll stay because it's on the center of the hub. Now take your bolt and turn this wheel until it falls in. There you go. You may have to come back a little bit. The wheel is on. Now take another up. You already found one hole, so the next hole should fall right in. Now you don't have to go on, what is it, Dutch Auto Parts. You can buy one of their studs or whatever. You don't need a stud. All you have to be is a little smart.